The first thing to know is that you got to tune the 6th string down to D. It should sound like that when you tune it at home. And this one still is A. This is D. And together those three make a chord. It makes a really cool sounding chord when you tune it down. It's called drop D. So instead of E, this is a D, then A, E, G, B, and E. Okay? You start out by going up to the 12th fret, that's a double dot, and press down the top 3 strings. Use whatever finger you like and hit all 3 of those strings. Just hold it. Okay, and then we have this little lick. And that keeps going. You do that a total of 6 times in the beginning. It starts with the open 4th string, and then fret number 3 on the 5th string. And I would use my ring finger or pinky, so you can get to the next note. So fret number 3 on the 5th string, and then you're going to do a pull off on the 4th string. Start on fret number 1 with your pointer finger, hit it, and pull it off. So with my right hand, I'm only hitting that 1. Pulling it off. Right? So again, it's open, 4th string, 3rd fret on the 5th string, then 1 on the 4th string, and pull off. You do that twice. You go like this. Open, 3, pull off, open, 3, pull off, and then you have a hammer on. This time it's on the 5th string, from 1 to 5. So you hit 1 on the 5th string, and hammer on. And remember when you do the hammer on, try and get as high as you can. So here's the whole lick. You do those 4 notes twice. Then hammer. And it goes right back into it. So it comes out like this. Oops. Easy enough? Okay, after that, this is the same thing that happens when the verse starts. There's no singing here, but we're going to do it all again. It's an open chord, all 3 strings, 6th, 5th, and 4th strings open. Holds it, and then to 3, go to the 3rd fret, and back to open. Then the harmonics, you're going to press the 12th fret on the 5th string, lift up, and then just touch these notes. Don't press down at all, just barely touch them, hit the 12, so the 5th string and the 4th string harmonics. So you get this really cool ringing sound. So that whole section is like this. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So each of the chords gets held for a little bit shorter. The first one's 2 counts of 4. Then this one's 1 count of 4, and this one's only 2 beats before you do the harmonics. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we have the D chord down here. It's open, 2, and 3. 2 on the 3rd string, 3 on the 2nd string, and open 4th string. And you do this. 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. So I'm holding that chord and just going. And then D7 is open 2 and 1. The 1 is on the 2nd string, 2 is on the 3rd string. Then hold that and put 3 on the 4th string. It's called F, and then we're going to go back to D, which is that same one. We're going to hit all the strings down here. So that little run is D, D7, F. Then we have the very first pull off and hammer on that you learned. 5 on the 4th string, pulling off to 4 on the 4th string. Remember, hit the 5, put them both down, hit the 5 and try and pull it off a little bit so it actually plucks it. Then you're gonna hammer on the 5th string, 3 to 5. So you hold the 5, get it really clear. Remember, get this way up in the air and slam it down. So those hammer and pull off look like this: 5, 4 on the 4th string, and then 3, 5 on the 5th string. So a whole little run from the D chord goes like this. Section from these open chords goes again. That's what you start singing over. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, That's everything. I see sleepy eyes coming on, so we'll call that a night there. Cool?